Cessna 070, traffic 5 mile final, runway 26 right, heavy MD-11, report traffic in sight.
070, looking.
Ontario, FedEx 917 Heavy, 3 mile final, 26 right.
FedEx 917 Heavy on Ontario, tower wind 24013, runway 26 right, clear to land, roll out, Foxtrot approved.
FedEx 917 Heavy, clear to land, 26 right, Foxtrot approved.
Cessna 070, heavy MD-11 is on a 2 mile final, 1,800 descending, report traffic in sight.
070, heavy MD-11 in sight.
Cessna 070, roger pass behind the heavy MD-11, caution wake turbulence, wind 240 at 13, runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
We'll pass behind the MD-11, cleared for touch and go, runway 26 left for 070. Alright, we're going to do 65 all the way, and we're going to land past Papa. There's that smoke.
FedEx 917 Heavy, continue down the runway, turn left at Foxtrot. Hold short of runway 26 left and remain this frequency.
Alright, FedEx 917 left, Foxtrot, hold short of 26 left, stay with you.
Okay, that's through. Here we go. 55.
Ontario Tower, Cozy 40 Charlie Zulu with you at 1400.
Cozy 40.